Students, chapter 4, simple equation, session 3. Now we will see the solving an equation, means how to solve the equation, which operations we can perform on the equation, and what is the method to perform the operations on equation. See, first of all we saw that the equation, what do you mean by equation, how to form an equation, how to form an equation statement, from statement how to form an equation, all are in session 1 and session 2. Now how to solve an equation, means how you will find out the variable value from that equation, or which operations and how it will perform on equation. Okay, first of all I'll take an equality. This is not an equation, but equality is there. So 4 plus 1, see here, 8 minus 3 is 5 and 4 plus 1 is 5, so 5 is equal to 5. This is nothing but equality. Now suppose I'll add 2 on both the sides. I'll add 2 on both the sides. So this is LHS, this is RHS. Now LHS is equal to 8 minus 3. Add 2 on both sides. So plus 2. And RHS is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 2. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Here 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. So both are equal, means LHS is equal to RHS. So you can perform add operation on both the sides of equation with the same number. Addition with the same number, no change in the equality. When you will perform addition on this side LHS and addition on this side of RHS with the same number, then no difference in the equality. Then next step is subtraction. If I'll subtract 2 from both the sides, then see, LHS is 8 minus 3. Subtract 2 from both the sides. Okay, 8 minus 3 is equal minus 2, and RHS is 4 plus 1 minus 2. Then 4 plus 1 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and here 8 minus 3 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. See, LHS is equal to RHS. Equality doesn't changes. Same with the multiplication and division also. Suppose LHS multiply by 3 on both sides. Then see here, 8 minus 3 LHS is equal to 8 minus 3 into 3, and RHS is 4 plus 1 into 3. Now 8 minus 3 5 into 3, and RHS 4 plus 1 5 into 3 15. Same. So multiplication with the same number on both the sides, that will also not changes the equation. No changes in the equation. Then for the division, see here, divide by 2 on both sides. Then first LHS is 8 minus 3 and RHS is 4 plus 1. Now divide by 2. then 8 minus 3 divided by 2, 5 by 2. Here RHS 4 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Then no difference. When we perform division operation on the both the sides with the same number, if we'll divide both the sides of an equality with the same number, then it will not make a difference. The equality remains same. These all operations we have performed on a equality. With the same operations, if we'll perform on equations, equation means the expression which is having an variable. We can find out the variable value. How? Then see here, equation is x plus 3 is equal to 8. Now I will subtract 3 from both sides. Then x plus 3 minus 3 LHS and RHS is equal to 8 minus 3. Then x plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Then you will get x here and here 8 minus 3, 5. And when we will perform and same operation with the same number on both the sides, then both sides doesn't change, so x is equal to 5. We will get value of x. Cross verify it. If I'll put this x is equal to 5 in this equation, then x plus 3 is equal to 8 is nothing but x value is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. It satisfies. So you can find out the value of variable by adding, subtracting, dividing or multiplying with the same number on both the sides. Now take one example. 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. 3n plus 7 is equal to 25. Now we have to find out value of n in this, or we have to solve this. Now what you have to do, this one is nothing but LHS. This one is RHS. Okay. Now first what we will do, we will subtract. See, plus 7 is there, so subtract 7 from both the sides. Then subtract 7 from both sides. Step number 1. 3n plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 25 minus 7. Now 3n plus 7 minus 7 get cancelled. 3n is equal to 25 minus 7 is 18. 25 minus 7 is 18. Now see here, 3 is in multiplication. So if I'll divide by 3 on both the sides, then this 3 will get cancelled. So second step will divide 3 on both the sides. Now 3n divided by 3 is equal to 18 divided by 3. 3 get cancelled. N is equal to 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. So n is equal to 6. Now you got the value of n. Like this you need to solve each and every equation. See, next step is, suppose 2p, next example, 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. Next example, 2p. Here we need to find out the value of p. Then minus 1 is there, so add 1 on both sides. 2p minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 23 plus 1. 2p plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2p is equal to 24. Now divide. This one is first step, this one is second step. Divide by 2 on both sides. Then see here, p is equal to 2p is divided by 2 is equal to 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2. Now p, you'll get p, 2 cancel. P is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. So 12. P is equal to 12. Now see, p is equal to 12, n is equal to 6. If I'll put this n is equal to 6 in this equation, 3n plus 7 is equal to 25, then 3 n is, we need to find out 6. See, 6. 3n plus 7 is equal to, now this 3n, 3 into 6, 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. This is nothing but RHS. This is nothing but RHS. Okay. Like this, if I'll put p is equal to 12, then we will get here 23. See, 2 into LHS is equal to 2 into p is 12. So 12 minus 1. 12 into 2, 24 minus 1 will get 23. This is nothing but 23 RHS. So whatever we are getting, the values of variables, if we'll put in the same equation, then the equation will be satisfied. Okay. Then